guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Moyo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this. So if you want to see it, make sure you watch the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be showing you lots and lots of that I don't want to miss. So let's just get into the video. Have a I'm starting off by applying some concealer to my eyelid. I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm using it as a concealer to ensure that my lid has just one color and also as a base for my eyeshadow to sit on. Now I'm done with my two eyelids and I'm using the Jaclyn palette for my eyes. I'm starting off with a very dark green color and I'm going to be applying that into my crease. I'm just gently blending it back and forth to ensure everything is well blended out. Once I'm done with that, I'm also going to apply it into the outer corner of my eye. I'm using this black eyeshadow on the same Jaclyn palette, and this is what I'm going to be using as my second color. I'm basically applying it to the outer corner of my eye, then I'm going to be blending it out. Now that we are done blending, this is what we have. I'm just going to grab my LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn again, then I'm going to be using a flat brush to cut my crease. I'm using a flat brush that has a little bit of bulk because I feel like it's better. It's better than using a flat brush that is just flat without any kind of bulk. I don't know, but this makes blending the cut crease way easier for me, and it comes out better actually. Now I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm going in with the same black color that I used for my second eyeshadow, and I'm going to be blending it at the end of the cut crease because I just want everything to just blend in. So you get. I'm just taking this gold color from my Jaclyn palette again, and I'm going to be going over that area that I applied the concealer, my cut crease area. I'm just going to dab in it onto it, just following the line, shape and everything, and that's basically it. I'm just gently tapping it into. You don't want to pack too much. I'm using my Fenty Fashion eyeliner that I got from a store, and I'm drawing a wing liner. We are done, and I'm just going to pop some lashes off camera. Here we go. I'm basically just wiping my face in case there's any residue of eyeshadow on my face, and I'm using my Pond's Oil Control Primer, and I'm going to be applying that on my face. Now I'm using my classic high definition foundation in the color 004 and I'm applying it onto my face. Then I'm going to be using a sponge to blend it out. You guys, this sponge is so amazing. Like, I really like it, and I'm going to be blending it all over my face. For my highlights, I used the LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn again, and I applied it to the areas I once highlighted. Now I'm basically just blending it out. To set my concealer, I'm using the Benign Banana setting powder and I'm just dusting it over. I'm applying it, but I'm not going to allow it to stay for too long. Immediately I'm done, I'm going to brush it out with a fluffy brush. For my contour, I'm using the Avo Super Stay Mattifying Powder. It's actually darker than my normal skin tone, than my shade, and I'm going to be applying it to my nose area, my cheek area and my forehead, also my jawline. For my blush, I'm using this color and I'm going to be applying it onto my cheeks. I'm using a brown colored lip liner to line my lips, and once I'm done with this, I'm just going to go in with a clear lip gloss. For my under eye, I'm using this black color and I'm just applying it like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out one of these videos on your screen, and please like, comment and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye babies.